Okay, so I've been talking about our Google Ads Video Audit. Let me just show you another example of why this can be helpful. I did an audit last month. We're looking at this account, not sharing any names obviously or anything like that. But when you look at this account on the surface, you think, man, things look pretty good. Look at the return on ad spend in this account. Maybe not all the campaigns, but as a whole, it's like a 7-to-1, not bad. Spend $6 grand, 6,100, make 45,000 back. Awesome, right? Not much to look at here. Well, let me just share once again why this is so important to have another set of eyes on things. Let me just pause the video and I'll show you what this 45,000 really is. Okay, so if we look over here now, we can see that good old-fashioned store visits brought in 43 of the $45,000. And if you're not familiar with what that means, it's basically fake. It's not real revenue. Somebody decided that a store visit was worth some crazy amount of money, which it's not. And again, this is not a retail location, so this would not make any sense. There's bookings that happen online that would be typically counted as revenue. But in this particular case, this whole account is being optimized for something that is not even a real conversion. This is basically fake money. So when you're spending, let's say $6 grand this particular month, and you're getting back who knows how much because you're not really tracking it right, and you're telling Google to get more of these, you're basically setting yourself up for failure. So once again, if you've thought about getting one of the Google Ads video audits I keep talking about, this is the kind of thing I run into pretty much every single day. There's always something. They're definitely worth it. I know I'm kind of like pitching my own stuff here, but I'm telling you, I just can't imagine you would lose money getting one done. And if you didn't get the value, like I always say, you don't have to pay me for it. Just don't even pay me for it. But you'll see that you'll probably get some value from it. So hit me up, comment below, or check out the link if you're seeing this on some kind of an ad. And if it's for you, do it. If you don't have enough Google Ads data, if you're not tracking things, or you have a brand new account, you're not spending more than at least a few $1,000s a month, then don't waste your time. But if you are, it's a no-brainer, guys.